Knock, knock, who's there? It's the ABC haunted house. If you dare, hold my hand, don't be slow. Inside this house, the letters glow. A is for angry apple with spooky red eyes. B is for bouncing bat, flying in the skies. C is for creepy cat, hiding in the dark. D is for dancing Dracula, bark, bark, bark. E is for evil eyeball, floating in the air. F is for funny Frankenstein with crazy green hair.
G is for giggle ghost, shouting boo, boo, boo. H is for haunted house, saying who are you? I is for icy ice, monster cold as snow. J is for jack-o'-lantern with a spooky glow.
K is for kind kraken, splashing down below. L is for laughing lizard, putting on a show. Spooky A, B, C, come sing with me. Not too scary, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Monsters dancing, trick or treat. Spooky A, B, C, shout hooray. Learning letters the spooky way. Shake, 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 spin around. Haunted letters make funny sounds. M-R.
M is for mummy wrapped up tight.
N is for noisy night owl hooting at
O
night.
is for orange ogre big and
P is
tall.
for purple potion bubbling in the
Q
hall.
is for queen witch on her broom.
R is for rattling robot, zoom, zoom, zoom. S is for silly skeleton shaking his bones. T is for tiny troll guarding spooky stones. U is for unusual unicorn, dark but sweet. V is for vampire veggies dancing to the beat.
W is for wiggly werewolf,
Howling at the moon. Hey,
X is for x-ray fish,
glowing like a balloon.
Y is for yawning yeti, sleepy
And slow.
Z is for zombie zebra, saying let's go.
Spooky A,